virtual PC user here. That's what I have. So I'm showing you guys a $10 386 machine that I bought at a consignment shop last week. Wondering why the floppy drive color is a little bit different? It's because the original floppy drive, which is right here, doesn't read anything anymore. Apparently, I think the alignment's a little bit off on the bed there. It's there. What I can do is I can take the 3.5 inch out of this here, swipe it in here, and put the other drive in that one. The 5.25 inch drive works without a problem. Install the Creative Labs CR563 PC and RAM drive, Western Digital 4.3 gig hard drive. Here are the inners. Got 4 megabytes of SIM30. I put a CR2032 battery holder on there. Surprisingly, it works. It's solder wire to diode number 2 there. And then, so you got the keyboard BIOS, you got the PC BIOS, and underneath it, I don't know if you can see or not. What's under the cable? Probably. Actually, I can't. Okay, there we go. That chip down there. Zoom in so you can see. There we go. I'm gonna zoom in. There it gets better focus. That's the real-time clock chip. And over here we have the Trident ISA video card. It's an EISA slot, so this thing does support 32-bit EISA slot cards. A typical WinBond Super I card here. Aztech Galaxy NX Pro. Took it out of my 486 machine. A newly acquired SAAYM, SAAYM, or same as GameBlaster clone with the RAM 2161, 51, and 3012 chips on there. This is a really good card. I got this from Select. Price isn't that bad. Passport, beautiful one.